Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Microsoft Store app. Open it and make sure you're signed into the Microsoft account whose currency you want to change. Once done, click your profile icon in the top right and choose Settings. If you see Payment and Accounts, open that next. You need to confirm which region is active because subscriptions or saved payment methods can prevent changes, so check those now. This step begins the change. It prepares your account so you don't hit errors later. Now switch the account level region which controls store currency. You'll go to Account, Microsoft, sign in, and navigate to Payment and Billing info, edit your billing address and select the desired country. Make sure to save the change and update or remove any payment methods tied to the old country because they may not work after switching. Once saved, restart the Microsoft Store app and sign out, then sign back in, so finish by confirming the store shows prices in the new currency. Browse paid listings to verify. If purchases fail, make sure payment methods match the new country or create a new Microsoft payment profile for that region. If the store still shows the old currency, clear the cache with WS Reset, reboot Windows, and sign in again. This often resolves sync issues. If none of these steps work, contact Microsoft support and mention your account region, billing profile, and any error messages so they can finalize the change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.